Egg washing what you said the tea scones, yeah.
To attain the brown color, to enhance the appearance.
Okay.
This enhances the appearance.
This enhances the appearance. Okay, brownish flavor.
Not very
Color, I mean.
brownish color.
Okay, good. Did you put some salt?
No, I didn't put.
So they don't have salt?
Yeah.
Only sugar. So what is the degree? Before we were 225. Are we going to reduce?
Yes, we're going to reduce at 180.
180 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Then we're going to cook them for how long?
25 minutes, 20 minutes.
Oh, you have layers to put up and down?
The racks. Yeah, we have racks.
Oh, you have racks. Okay, good. So we now put the tea scones in the oven and we heat them for at a temperature of 100 then? You said? Okay. So how long do we?
For 25 minutes, 30 minutes.
For 25 minutes?
30 minutes.
25 minutes or 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, time the oven at 25 minutes to 30 minutes. And then, okay, I think that's important. And then the temperature is 100 degrees, isn't it?
No, 180.
180.
We can serve the food.
Okay. Okay, cool. So that's it. Let's wait. And then I'll take a photo once they're done.